Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Webhook Secret in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to Stripe's website and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be on the homepage of your dashboard, your central hub for managing Stripe activities. Scroll down until you find the Developers section. In the Developers section, locate the option labeled Webhooks and click on it to proceed. Next, to set up your webhook, click on Create an Event Destination. This step defines where Stripe sends event information. After clicking Add Destination, you'll be prompted to select specific events. Click Add Events and start with Checkout. Then choose checkout.session.completed, which is important for tracking completed checkout sessions and ensuring your website responds to successful transactions. Then, move to Invoice and select Invoice.Payment Succeeded to receive notifications every time an invoice payment is processed successfully. Once your selections are made, click Add Events to move to the Endpoint Configuration section. Here, you'll see a field labeled Webhook Endpoint. Paste the exact URL of your server endpoint where Stripe should send webhook information. Below that, you can also add a short description to help you remember what this webhook is for. Once done, click Add Endpoint to save your configuration. Stripe will now automatically set everything up on their server to start sending event data to your specified endpoint. And that's it. So that is how you can get Webhook Secret in Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.